Imagine this. Day in and day out, you're grinding. The work is relentless, the hours are long, and yet the results? Stagnant. Factory direct siding was there, caught in a cycle of hard work with little to show for it. Leads were trickling in, sales plateaued, and the competition was eating their lunch. Todd Newman, the sales and marketing manager, was living that reality. His team was fighting tooth and nail for every single sale, only to see minimal returns. It was frustrating, disheartening, and frankly, unsustainable. But then, Todd and his team decided to make a change. They partnered with iSynergy, and everything shifted. We took factory direct siding from being just another name in the industry to dominating the digital space. With our unique battle-tested approach to marketing, refined over a decade, we didn't just improve their visibility, we skyrocketed their growth. Here's the proof. In just 5 years, we increased their top 10 keywords by an astonishing 4,800%. We helped them achieve a Google Ads click-through rate of 7.7%. That's twice the industry average. And in just a year and a half, we brought over 30,000 sessions to their site, generating over 200 leads. We engineered a strategy that propelled them to the forefront of their market. And this is just the beginning. Today, you'll hear directly from Todd about how we did it and how we turned the business around. But before you do, let's take a moment to appreciate just how far they've come. From struggling to get noticed to now being a powerhouse with a repeatable, scalable marketing approach that we can implement in any industry. Stick around. You're about to discover exactly how we made it happen.
My name is Todd Newman. I'm Sales and Marketing Manager for FactoryDirectSiding.com. Factory Direct Siding is a manufacturer of premium grade polymer shake siding. We manufacture 35 colors, and we are known for being able to custom make any color on the market. We have been in business for over 80 years, and we currently have over 360 employees. A typical day at Factory Direct Siding is pretty much studying the computer, seeing what our leads, where our leads are coming from, answering questions from our website, and following up on any communications we have from our online customers. We realized we had to make a change after we just noticed that year-over-year sales were stagnant. We were working hard, but we weren't getting the market share that we had hoped to achieve. Our number one problem that iSynergy helped us overcome was the simple fact of getting us noticed, getting our product out there. When you're doing door-to-door sales and calling on customers, you're lucky to see a few people a day, not many during the week. This gave us the opportunity to be noticed by hundreds of people a day. We really liked the team at iSynergy. We thought they were a great asset, and they knew how they could take us to the next level.
Along with their paid acquisition channels, FDS needed to be found organically. With off-page and on-page SEO strategies, we've been able to get their site to rank for over 1,400 keywords, hundreds of which are on the first page of Google. Additionally, we structured the site with CRO in mind, so that when users found FDS, they were likelier to convert.
Our new website has made my life a lot easier when it comes to getting in front of people, getting in contact with people, getting our product introduced, and hearing what the feedback. We get a tremendous amount of feedback about our product, and it's been so positive. And we believe that has to do with the way it is presented on the site and the way the product's manufactured.
Because FDS was a brand new site, they needed ways to get their name out there and attract customers. Through Pinterest and Google Ads and our weekly optimizations, we brought over 30,000 sessions to the site and have generated over 200 combined leads, sales, and calls from those two channels alone.
The website took off pretty quickly. It got a lot of people questioning our product, asking for samples for our product, which they can do right from the website. By getting samples to people, we're able then to generate sales. Our most significant achievement to date has been our growth. Since we've gone live on the internet, in the year and a half since, we've seen a trend, and it's all been excellent. We're very excited about where we're going. Our Google Ads click-through rate is 7.7, which is twice the industry average. With our continual growth from our website, we're now seeing about 3,000 visitors per month. I would definitely recommend working with the iSynergy and the team. We found them to be very easy to work with, very knowledgeable, and they're very reactive. With the help of iSynergy, we believe that we're going to become a very dominant force in the home improvement segment. We have seen substantial growth over the year and a half that we've been working with iSynergy, and we plan on continuing that growth substantially in the future.